Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going straight to the settings. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then lock Screen or Screensaver depending on your system. You want the Control Panel or Modern Settings view now. Do not delay. Pick Screensaver or Screensaver settings and glance at the default choices to decide quickly. Explain why. A screensaver can protect privacy and prevent burn-in on some panels. Once there, select a basic option so you can customize its timing and content in the next step. Now you customize the behavior. Choose photos to show a folder, 3D text for movement, or blank for power savings. Each does something different. You set the wait time in minutes. Shorter times save power but may trigger more often, so pick what fits. If you want security, enable Resume with sign-in. That forces the lock screen when the screensaver ends. Once configured, point to the slideshow folder if using photos, tweak shuffle and speed. Then hit Preview to verify the look and motion. Finish by applying and saving your choices. Click Apply, then OK so changes persist. You should test it immediately with Preview and also by letting the computer idle for the minutes you set. Make sure power settings aren't set to sleep before the screensaver starts, otherwise you'll never see it. If it still fails, update your graphics driver and confirm the folder path for photos is accessible. That troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or driver issues and gets your screensaver.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.